In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade on TradingView with Tradovate prop firm accounts. By the end, you'll be connected to Tradovate inside TradingView with your prop firm account visible and ready to chart and manage trades from the trading panel. First, activate the TradingView add-on inside Tradovate. Log into your Tradovate account using your prop firm's link. Once you're in, open Application Settings, then go to the Add-ons section. Find the TradingView add-on and make sure it's active. If you see a toggle or status indicator, turn it on so it shows as active. Give the page a moment to update. If there's a Save or Confirm button visible, click it to finalize the setting. Keeping this add-on active is what allows TradingView to connect to your Tradovate account. Next, open TradingView. In a new tab, go to the TradingView charting page and load any chart you want to work with. Wait for the chart to fully load so the bottom panel is available. Now open the trading panel in TradingView. At the bottom of the screen, click the Trading Panel tab. The broker list will slide up from the bottom. If you don't see it, scroll down slightly or expand the bottom drawer so the full list of brokers is visible. From here, select Tradovate. In the broker list, click Tradovate, then click Connect or the equivalent button shown. TradingView will open a login prompt for Tradovate. Next, log in with your Tradovate credentials. Enter your Tradovate username and password carefully. If your browser offers to autofill, verify it's the correct account before proceeding. Click to sign in and wait for the connection prompt to appear. Now, this part is crucial. When TradingView asks for the environment, select Demo or Simulation, even if you are trading a funded account. This is the correct environment for prop firm accounts when connecting through TradingView. If you see any option labeled Live, do not choose it here. Confirm the Demo or Simulation selection to continue. This step is intentional and ensures your connection works properly with prop firm accounts on TradingView. Once that's done, verify the connection. Look at the trading panel on the bottom of TradingView. You should see your Tradovate account listed, along with your account balance. The available instruments should also be ready to trade from TradingView. Common futures symbols like ES1 and NQ1 should appear in your symbol search and be selectable on the chart. If your balance is visible and symbols are available without errors, the connection is successful. At this point, your TradingView connection to Tradovate using your prop firm account is complete. The add-on is active, the broker is selected, you're logged in with the correct demo or simulation environment, and your account details and instruments are showing in the trading panel. Your setup is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.